Once, but I can't remember how. If only we knew how to play.
Mamma mia! Hi, Bufo! How am I doing? It's all part of the plan. More or less.
Special alert! Special alert!
Huh?
Special Agent Oso, Mr. Dose here. It's a touchy situation. Alexander and Elena want to play a game of tag, but they don't know how. Your special assignment? Help Alexander and Elena learn how to play tag.
Sounds like a plan. Pilot, what are my 3 special steps for this assignment?
3 special steps, that's all you need. 3 special steps, and you'll succeed. Your special assignment is starting now. And 3 special steps will show you how. Step 1, pick who's going to be it. Step 2, count to 5 and run after your friends. Step 3, tag one of your friends. 3 special steps, so now you know. 3 special steps, and you're ready to go. The checklist has all the steps.